Guys, I'm doing the best shit ever. Dr. Stephen Strange opening the eye of Agomotto. But you have to listen to the equation fast as possible, okay? This equation r equal to 4 sine 4 theta. It's 4, it's n here in the equation, and a is 4. Whatever the number is, it's even or whatever. It multiplied by 2, there should be that number of petals, so it will be 8 number of petals. Alright, we first test symmetry, we find the max value and we find the minimum length. For the max, we make it r equal to 4, the maximum, and minimum we made it -4, and we test the symmetry either to the polar axis, line, or pole. So polar axis, we turn the theta into negative theta. If the equation comes same, it means it is symmetric to that, but we still don't know. We just make a calculated guess, and it doesn't come back to the original one, so we don't know is it gonna work, it gonna symmetric to polar axis or no, but we just test it right now. And for the second one, for the line, we make it theta equal to negative theta, and we make r equal to negative r, and it came back along. It means it's symmetric to the line. But for the pole, we make the r equal to negative r, and the symmetry never come along. For the maximum length, we make it positive, make the r equal to 4, positive 4, and then we find the 4 theta and inverse of 1. We know it's gonna be 90 degree, and it should be within the 2 pi limit or 360 degree. So pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 13 pi by 2. It never goes with 17 pi by 2, because 4 divided by 8 for the theta, it will be 17 pi by 8. It should be 2 point some value. For minimum length, it will be -4. It's right there, so we find these value, and we just start rushing forward. So if we find 4, we have 5 by 2, 4, 5 pi by 2, 4, 9 pi by 2, 4, 13 pi by 2, just like that, -4, 3 pi by 2. We got these equations right there. So we're gonna check it at this arch side of arch image, where people use arch. It's kind of like that. And we found out like pi by 8, it's the half of the 45 degree, so we make it pi by 8, and then 3 pi by 8, it's 3 times of that, 3 pi by 8, just like that, 5 pi by 8, 7 pi by 8, 9 pi by 8, and then we make petals. For petals, I just print out the arch thing, and the same points which I used and tell you earlier about pi by 8, I make as a blackhead and the petal right there. And you can test this one on the Dr. Stephen Strange video, remember, opening the eyes of Agomotto. Let's watch. I'll give you the link.